How to check SSD speed on Windows 10 and 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you check the SSD speed on Windows 10 or 11. So first of all, what you have to do is simply right click on the Windows icon over here and click on Windows PowerShell admin. Alright, so now simply type this command right here, winsat disk, and hit enter. This will show you the speed of your main hard drive, which is usually the C drive. Well, let's dig a little bit deeper. Suppose you have two drives in your PC or multiple drives. As you can see, in my case, I only have one drive. To find out the speed of your other drive, simply type this command, winsat disk hyphen and the letter of your drive. If you have drive C, type C, or D, type D according to your drive. Alright, and there you go. It will tell you the speed of that drive as well. Now these commands will be in the video description so that you can go ahead and copy them from there and paste it into the terminal. And guess what? After this, you don't even have to use the Windows terminal. You can use the free apps such as Crystal Disk Mark and Autodisk Benchmark to see the speed of your solid state drive or SSD on Windows 11. This command typically shows you the read and write speed. As per mine, I have the reading speed of 2569.86 and I have the writing speed of 1186.99. So this is how you can check the SSD speed on Windows 10 or 11. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.